Welcome student, this is fourth video of chapter 2 factors and multiples from RS. In this we will do the divisibility by 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Fifth question, test the divisibility by 6. First part 46,523. So first you have to check for 6, first you have to check it is divisible by 2 and 3. If it is divisible by both, then it will divisible by 6. So first check divisibility by 2. Unit digit, you have to check for divisibility by 2. Unit digit is 3, which is an odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. If it is not divisible by 2, then no need to check divisibility by 3 because automatically it is not divisible by 6. Since it is not divisible by 2, so it will not be divisible by 6. Like this you have to do. I am doing here one part more, fifth part. Check unit digit. Unit digit is 0 even, so it is divisible by 2. Now we have to check is it divisible by 3. For divisibility by 3, sum of the digit, you have to check that sum of the digit is divisible by 3 or not. Sum of the digit is 23, which is not divisible by 3. 23 not divisible by, so it is not divisible by 3. Since it is not divisible by 3, so the number will not be divisible by 6. Will not be divisible by 6. Rest part you have to do yourself. Next, sixth question, test the divisibility by 7. Test the divisibility by 7. The divisibility by 7, first part, you have to take unit digit. Unit digit is 4. First you have to double the unit digit. Number this, you have to double this. Unit digit is 4. So method to check the divisibility, double this unit digit and subtract it from the rest of the number. 936 subtracted from the double of unit digit. Now you have to check that 8 is divisible by 7 or not. This is divisible by 928 is divisible by 7 or not. Again you can do this, that you can double unit digit and then divide it, subtract it from the 92. Double this and subtract it from 92. 6 and here 7. Now 76 is not divisible by 7. So the given number is not divisible by 7. Unit digit, double that unit digit and subtract it from the rest of the number, and then this you have to divide this by 7. If it is divisible by 7, then it is number is divisible by 7, otherwise not. Next, seventh question. Test the divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8. And we have done the divisibility by 4, that unit digit and 10 digit, if it is divisible by 4, then the complete number will divisible by 4. In 8 we have to check last 3 digit, means unit digit, tens digit and hundred digit. Number formed by unit, tens and hundred digit. Unit, tens and hundred digit is divisible by 8. So number will be divisible by 8. Check it. Number formed by unit digit and 10 digit is 138. Now divide it with 8. It is not divisible by 8. So the given number is not divisible by 8. Like this, you have to check the divisibility by 8. Unit, tens and hundred digit, 3 digit, divide that by 8. If it is divisible by 8, then the number will divisible by 8. Next, 8th question. Test the divisibility by 9. This is the same as the divisibility by 3. Second part, sum of the digit. Sum of the digit is 12. Not divisible by 8. 9. Sorry, not divisible by 9. So the given number is not divisible by 9. Is not divisible by 9. Sum of the digit divisible by 9, then the given number is divisible by 9. Next, the divisibility by 10. So simple. Test the divisibility by 10. Unit digit must be 0. Second part, I am doing first part. At least one number be divisible. Unit digit is 0. So the number is divisible by 10. Next is divisibility by 11. 10th question. Test the divisibility by 11. And the divisibility of 11 is, second part, sum of the even place digit and odd place digit. Even place digit and odd place. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Start from here. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are places. Odd places are this, this and this. And even place are this. So sum of the digit at odd place and sum of the digit at even place. Not even and odd digit. Odd place digit and even place digit. Odd place digit are 1 plus 7 plus 8. And even place digit are 2 plus 3. The sum is 16 and here is 5. And then their difference, 16 minus 5, 11. and 11 is divisible by 11. It is a multiple of 11, so it is divisible by 11. So the given number is divisible by 11. Like this you have to do divisibility by 11. Now the divisibility of all the number we have done here. That's all for this video.